So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do voiceover. For those who are beginner content creators, this will help you, because if you use other people's music in your video, you'll be having issues every time with Facebook or even any platform, except you're doing reels. If it's for reels, they will give you suggestions of music you can use for your reels. But your normal 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or whatever video you want to do, you need to know how to put voiceover into those videos. For example, now you are analyzing or you are talking about a trending video, and in that trending video there is music in it. All you need to do is to just reduce the music and you now do voiceover. But if you have your own music yourself, you can put in your own music. I will show you how to do all of this. So let's go into our CapCut. So in our CapCut now, I'll go to the last project I worked on. So if you want me to, I've already shown you. For those, if you're watching this video for the first time, you will go to my videos, you see the video I did on how to do something like this and analyze trend. So in this one now, I've reduced the whole volume. I deliberately reduced it because this is Sharon Oja's wedding, right? Her music was playing on that background. If you're not too sure, maybe it's not keyboard, maybe they are using piano in the church or something, just reduce it. Don't put that on your content. So what I'm going to do, you can see itself that you are seeing it, that all my volume, I had to put off all the volume, because I don't want it to enter this video and put me into trouble. So what we are going to do is, I'll go to volume. So let me click on the content and I'll go to extract music, audio. So once I click on extract audio, are you seeing this extract audio now? I will now go to voiceover. So once I click on voiceover, let me take it to the very, very beginning. I can just press, let me talk. Let me just say. So I'll allow this thing to use my music. So I press it. You can see it's giving me minutes to talk. So hello guys, everyone, welcome back to this video. So now you see this Sharon Oja wedding. So our father is right here walking her into the church wedding. So can you see that? So let me pause it. Once I pause it, I'll click on this button here. So let's go and play it. Hello guys, everyone, welcome back to this video. So now you see this Sharon Oja wedding. So our father is right here walking her into the church wedding. So can you see that? So let me so guys, can you see how beautiful this is going? So this is exactly how you go about doing it. Don't pick sound from your, don't pick any sound from, because some of you now, if you use InShot or you use CapCut, you will now say, make I pick any of the sound way they here. Please do not do that, because you can only use the sound here on TikTok. If you want to get your own music, you have to work, put in your own, or you can get from your creator studio. I've shown you how to do that, but I can do another video on it because I have a lot of new followers here. So you can see how to go about doing this. So please help me share this video. Don't pass by. You have gotten value, so please help me share this video. You can also save it, because when you now want to do the practical, you will need to this is how you need to go about it. So have you gotten value? Help me like, and do not forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.